welcome back to Superstar Glam. Today's video is just a dramatic makeup look that is all cool tone. I definitely wanted to create a look because I just recently picked up the Kat Von D Fetish palette. So it's what I am wearing all over my eyes, and I really love how it turned out. It's a little more intricate than what I normally do and very like sharp edges, but that's what I was going for. I really do love this look. I also wanted to mention that if you ever recreate any of my makeup looks or my makeup tutorials, I would love for you to tag me on them so that I can go check them out and love them. If you are posting them on Instagram, go ahead and use the hashtag Superstarglam Squad. That way I know to go and check them out. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click that little button down below, subscribe, join the Superstar Glam Squad family. Also, click the little notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. And if you're interested to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So my face is already primed. I'm going to take the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone, and I'm gonna apply it with my wet sponge, and this is the Morphe sponge. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Fetish palette. It has the shade names in the back. And then the inside, it just looks like this. I'm sure you guys have seen it. So far, I have played with it, and so far, all the shadows are really pigmented and they blend well. So I actually was not going to get it because it was a little steep in price for me. So it is on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale right now, but it did go on sale on Sephora for like 30 something bucks. So that's the only reason why I got it. So far, I'm really liking the shadows. I think that they perform really good. They're really nice. Every year I feel that she improves because I do have some palettes that are a little bit older and the consistency wasn't there and there was patchiness. I just never dipped into it again. So like I said, I think every year she steps it up and improves. I just wanted to dip into it and play with it on camera. I'm going to take fixation on a big fluffy brush to apply that to the crease area. I'm going to take the Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Obsession, which is that blue shade. Okay, I'm going back with that fluffy brush to blend out the edges. I'm actually going to take the fan brush, the BH fan brush in number 4, and I'm going to take the shade called Sex, which is that like mustardy yellow shade, and I'm going to use this to help blend out. And I'm going back with the blending brush, and I'm not applying any more product. I'm going to wipe down this brush, and I'm going to use that shade again, Sex, again, just to help blend out the edges. Just going over with that fluffy brush to help blend everything. I'm going to go in with another fan brush, and this one is the number 8, the BH fan brush in number 8, and I think I'm going to go into S&M, which is that gray shade. And I'm just going to apply this the bottom of that blue shade. Ooh, it's actually giving it a nice deep color. Like it's not altering the navy. If anything, it's deepening it up a little bit more. And I'm going to go in just a tiny bit of that blue shade of Obsession, and I'm going to help blend that out. And I go back with just a little bit more, and hopefully I can make it look a little more mustardy. I'm going to cut the crease, just the inner portion, and I'm taking the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20. And the color that I want to place down here is that really pretty shade called Cuffs. So it's like a silverish, bluish, like baby bluish shade, like really, really pretty. So I'm packing it on my brush and I'm going to wet it. And let's, oh, that's so pretty. And to smoke it out and kind of create a wing, I'm going to go in with that black shade called Rubber. I'm going in with this angled brush, Morphe M165. I'm going to switch off brushes and use this little mini blending brush, the Morphe M506. I'm going to take that black shade and fill in the outer while also blending it in. Okay, and then I'm going to take that small little fan brush and I'm going to take a little bit more of that Obsessions shade. I'm going to use this to help blend out the outer and also deepening up the navy. So I'm going to go back with that fan brush number 4 and this shade Sex, and then again help blend that out. I really want that outer corner to be really dark and intense, so I'm going to go in with a liner. I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm also tracing it right above. I'm going to finish the other eye off camera and then I'll be back to continue. I think the hardest part about doing eye looks like this is to match the other eye. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer, but I'm also going to mix in a little bit of the Physician Formulas foundation, just because, again, it is, the Maybelline one is a little full coverage, which is okay because I need the full coverage, but I also want it to blend smoothly around my problem area. So I'm going to put it in this area and take the Morphe brush. And then there's not much left. I'm just going to put that in this area where I want a little extra coverage. For the concealer, I'm going to mix in the Makeup Revolution, what is it called? Conceal and Define, C8 and C5. One is extremely light and the other one is more of like my skin tone. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade 10, Fair Light. I'm using that to set my concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in 2 medium. I'm going to contour, and I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I'm going to take the shade Sculpt. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to use the BH Brilliance Bronzer in Cocoa Cutie. For brush, I'm going to take the Benefit California, and it looks like this. It looks a little bright, but I apply it lightly. Going to contour my nose. For highlighter, I think I'm going to use the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter. I love this stuff. So I also applied lashes. So they are the Ardell double ups. I feel like they were thick and voluminous enough to hold up with this eye look. Anyway, so let's now continue to the bottom. I hate working on my lower lash line because for example, in this look, I feel like it's so intense that I definitely have to apply an eyeliner to the waterline. But since I'm a contact wearer, I hate applying it, and having it transfer over to my contact is a pain. But I'm gonna try to just lightly do this. And then I'm gonna take that really small fan brush, number 8 from BH, and I'm gonna apply rubber right at the outside corner. So I'm applying it right at the lash line and also setting that eyeliner. And then the rest of the bottom, I'm going to apply Obsession. And then I'm taking another small fan brush. This is number 6, and I'm going to take the shade Sex. And I'm going to use this to blend out the bottom. So basically, how it looks on the top, I'm bringing it to the bottom. I'm going to take the brush that I applied cuffs with. I'm just going to apply this right at the tip, wet my brush, and I'm going to bring it just to the bottom inner. Okay, and I think this is the perfect time to use the, this was holographic transformer little mini highlighter that I got from Kat Von D, and it's called the Teal Aquamarine. So I think that's gonna look really nicely as an inner corner highlight. I have not used this since I bought it. I think I applied too much. I'm gonna wet it. That is so pretty. Whatever's left, I'm gonna apply this right at the top of the brow bone. But then I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm gonna mix in that white shade. And I don't want it to be so harsh. So I'm gonna take a really fluffy brush. I'm just going to go over that. I probably have worn this liquid lipstick in the past several videos, but I can't stop. It's such a pretty shade. So I'm using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner and Downtown Beauty. And the liquid lipstick that I'm going to put on, it is the collab Matte Addiction Liquid Lip Color, and this is the collab with Lizzie from What Will Lizzie Do in the shade Peachy King. It's so pretty. And the formula is super comfortable. So this is the completed look. I really love how it turned out. This is totally something up my alley that I would wear special occasions for the holidays. I even brought out the pearls for this look. It's more of a cool tone look, and yeah, I'm really loving it. And any products that I may have missed that I didn't mention, I will put it in the description box below. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time. Bye.